Welcome guys, so today I'm with the Moto E22 and I want to show you camera pro mode in this smartphone. So to open the pro mode you have to go for the more modes and hit the pro mode from the photo tab. And as you can see right here we can find a lot of parameters at the bottom. So I want to show you how we can adjust them. At the first, when you tap right here, you are going to reset all of these parameters. The first option, it's the focus. So we can adjust it automatically by leaving on the autofocus or make it manually. As you can see right now, this plant is out of the focus, and it's all because we set it up like that. We set it only on the close objects. So right now when I'm gonna put my hand right here, oh sorry guys, I mean it's set up right now for the range objects. So when I put it like that, it will be set up to the close. Yeah, that's how it works. Next we can smoothly go for the shutter speed. Right here we can set it automatically or just manually. So we can decide when you set it, for example, for like 3 seconds or 2 seconds or even 8. Wait a minute, it's not working. That's strange. Okay, that's weird. That's the first time that I see that the shutter speed is not working in the phone. Normally it looks like the delay. So when you set it for the 16 seconds, it will take 16 seconds to take the photo. Okay, let's set it up automatically. Next we got the ISO, where we can adjust brightness, but it's also not working. That's interesting. Right here we got the exposure compensation, and this option is actually working. That's nice, and that's, by the way, the only parameter that we can set up only manually. And probably the white balance will also works. Yeah. So the white balance is working, exposure compensation is working, but the shutter speed and the ISO, it is not working, and that's weird. The first time that I see something like that in the phone. Right here we can enable the delay to the shutter between 3 or 10 seconds. We can also change camera aspect ratio between 3:4, 9:16, and we can go for the full screen. So we can decide how to make it. Right here we can also enable the flashlight, and you get quick access to the Google Lens. So yeah, that's all. Pro mode on the Motorola E22 camera. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.